Today we'll talk about how can you find scores on your Fox Sports app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find the scores. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down, click here on scores down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find all scores you have. So here can you find it? And here if you want to add your teams here in this list, it's going to show for you the scores of your teams in this list here on your Fox Sports app. So that's all you have to do to find it here. I wish know you I give it. That's all. So thank you for watching. Before I forget, here can you select type of game you want to see scores here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.